How to turn your paycheck into wealth, a step-by-step guide. You're working hard, that paycheck hits your account and vanishes. But what if you could flip the script? Let's go. Step 1. Before rent, food and fun. Set up an automatic transfer right after payday. Move 20% into a savings or investment account. No thinking, no skipping, just automate it. Pay yourself first, automate everything. Step 2. Credit cards, high-interest loans, that's wealth leakage. Start with the highest interest rate and crush it. It's called the avalanche method. Once one of them is gone, roll that payment into the next. Reduce bad debts and increase your savings. Step 3. Build your emergency fund. 3 months of living expenses, stored separately, not in your checking account, not under your bed. Life throws curveballs, be ready to hit them. Emergency fund equals peace of mind. Step 4. Every month, rain or shine, bull market or bear. Stick to index funds, use your Roth IRA, max your 401k, keep fees low and stay the course. In the beginning, keep it super simple and consistent. $500 spent is gone forever, but $500 invested could grow to $80,000 in 30 years. Compound interest works if you do. Step 5. You can't save what you don't earn, so level up. Negotiate that raise, learn a new skill, start that side hustle, sell, flip, freelance. More income means more investing power. Step 6. Don't spend like you're rich, spend like you're serious. Track your expenses, cut the lifestyle creep, cook at home, cancel what you don't use. Spending less equals keeping more. Step 7. Build the habit, stack the wins, one paycheck at a time. There's no secret, no shortcut, just steps. Repeat equals results. Turn your paycheck into wealth, step by step, month by month. No fluff, just real moves. Let us know in which step you are in. Please like, share and subscribe, and start building. You got this.